Okay, so now come in lecture number 2. So this third question I will explain now. So this and this number I am just using. Twenty-five decimal 409. So write all the number 25409. Decimal take it as 1. After decimal 3 number means 1000. So you cannot cross 25, it will not cross in any table. So just again change it into mixed fraction. How to change into mixed fraction? See, 1000 divide 25,409 by 1000. This I am teaching you how to change into mixed fraction. So 100,000 into 2000 04509 1000 times 5000 9040. See, this is divisor, so divisor will write here because whatever denominator is there that you have to write here. Quotient 25, so this quotient you will write here and this remainder we will write here. Divisor, here quotient and here remainder. Okay, then now come to example number 13. Page number 84, example number 13. Convert 5/5/8 into decimal fractions. Okay, you have to convert 5/5/8. Okay. So first change this into proper or improper fraction. In mixed fraction, so see 8 into 5 40, 40 plus 5 45 by 8. Okay. Now you have to change 45 by 8 into decimal fraction. So divide 8 times 5 40 50. So in decimal fraction, until unless your remainder will not come 0, you have to keep dividing. Okay, you have to divide it. So remainder is 5. So again we will put here 0. If we will put here 0, then we will put here decimal, because I have to take out the remainder 0. So here after dividing 8 into 5 40 it's come. 5 is as remainder. Now by own I have given 0. Then decimal I have to give. Now 8 times 6 48. 2, again it will not divide, so again put 0. Now this time do not give any decimal we give only one time. So 8 times 2 16, 10 minus 6 4, 1 minus 1 0, again it will not divide, so again I will give 0. Now 8 times 5 40. So see, only remainder is 0. So until and unless your remainder will not come 0, you will not take out any decimal. So what is our answer? 5 decimal 6 to 5. Okay, so our final answer is 5 decimal 6 to 5. Now one more way is there that I will explain. See, these 5 decimal whole 5 by 8, I can write like this. This is other type. Okay, 5 plus 5 by 8 I can write. I can write. Okay. Now this 5 plus this 5 by 8, I will change this denominator in a multiple of 10. So I will multiply with 125 into 120. Then I will get what I will get 5 plus 625 by 1000. Okay. Now 5 plus, when you will divide from 1000 to 625, see this one take it as a decimal, and 3 number is also here, 3 number is also here, a decimal 6 to 5. Now add 5 decimal 6 to 5. So when you will add, you will get only 5 decimal 6 to 5. See this answer and see this answer. Both answer is same. So either you can solve this question this way, or either you can solve this question this way. So example sum is over for exercise 27. Now we will go for example sum for exercise 28. Multiplication of decimal fraction. Example number 14. Page number 85. Okay, so this is multiplication of decimal fractions. Example number 14. Multiply 3456 decimal 246 by 10. Okay, so see here how we multiply. So 3456 decimal 246 into 10. So forget about decimal now. However, you are just multiplying, keep multiplying. Simple multiplication is to do 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 0 is there. When you will multiply with any number, you will get 0. Now 6, 4, 2, 6, 5, 4, 3, because we have multiplied with 1. Okay. See this, here we can give cross also, or here we can give 0 also. Either you can give 0 or either you can give cross. Both is right. Okay. See now after decimal 3 number. So in first number I will put decimal here. Then after decimal 3 number will be there. Now come to this. In this also we will put decimal here, because after decimal this will also take as a number. So after decimal 3 number is here. Now add 0, 6, 4, 2, 6, 5, 4, 3. So after decimal 3 number is here. So we will put here decimal. So after decimal 3 number is here. So when you will multiply this, we will get 34,562 decimal 46. Okay, because we do not count this also. 0. So 3, 4, 5, 6 decimal 2, 4, 6 when multiply, we will get 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 decimal 4, 6. decimal. That's why we will not assume this 0. Okay, we will not assume this 0. That's why your answer is 34,562 decimal 46. So till here I am stopping. In next classes I will go for example number 15. So for now, goodbye to all of you.